be making thousands a month with a YouTube channel like these. Why is it that they get views and you don't? Let me explain. Finding your niche is one of the most crucial steps in building a successful YouTube channel. Your niche is essentially the topic your channel will focus on. So, how do you choose the right one? Start by considering what you are passionate about or have knowledge in. It's much easier to create engaging content when you enjoy the subject matter and have some expertise in it. But remember, you need to avoid boring content. Ensure that your niche is interesting and can attract viewers. Content that is engaging and entertaining will always perform better, and there needs to be an audience for your niche. A great way to check the demand is by using Google Trends. Filter the results by YouTube search and see how many people are looking for content in your potential niche. If the interest is high, that's a good sign. Look at other channels in your potential niche. Study their content, their views, their engagement. If you see that these channels are successful, it's a good indication that there's a viable audience. However, make sure you can produce content that is as good, if not better, than what's already out there. Consider the monetization opportunities within your niche. Besides AdSense, think about potential brand deals, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. Some niches are more lucrative than others, so this is an important factor to consider. Finally, choose a niche where you can consistently produce content. You want to ensure that you can come up with fresh ideas regularly without burning out. But it's not all about the niche you choose. Have you ever clicked on a video just because the thumbnail caught your eye? Thumbnails are the first thing people see when they come across your video. They are your video's first impression, and as we all know, first impressions matter. A compelling thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Creating great thumbnails doesn't have to be complicated, especially not with this tool called Pikzels. You can just copy a good thumbnail, and with the magic of AI, it recreates it. Let me show you how. Don't forget, if you sign up with the code Revenue Roadmap 25, you will get the first month 25% off your plan. You can find the link in the description below. To start using the AI tool, join their Discord server by clicking Join the Discord. It looks like this. There's a how-to section that explains the difference between a bad prompt and a good prompt. For example, make a thumbnail for a Minecraft video is a bad prompt because it lacks specifics. You need to provide detailed descriptions of how you want your thumbnail to look. In the example below, to create an AI thumbnail, I've already tested this AI tool. In this example, I sent a Mr. Beast thumbnail, and the AI tool recreated it. You can find the link in the description below. That is literally how easy it is. But let's look at the technical side of creating a good thumbnail. Here are 3 rules to follow. 1. Facial expression. Use clear and expressive faces in your thumbnails. Human faces attract attention and convey emotions that draw viewers in. 2. Bold text. Add bold and readable text that stands out against the background. This helps communicate the video's main idea at a glance. 3. Vibrant colors. Use vibrant and contrasting colors to make your thumbnail pop. Bright colors catch the eye and make your video stand out in a crowded feed. Now that we've found a great niche and perfected our thumbnails, it's time for the next crucial step: generating a good voiceover. A clear and engaging voiceover can make the difference between an average and an outstanding video. Do you ever wonder why some videos keep you hooked from start to finish while others lose your attention almost immediately? Let me show you. But before we continue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me show you. This is Elevenlabs. When you visit the site, you'll land on this page. You can try it for free. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. But stick around, because in this video, I'll show you everything you can do with it. Click on Go to App. If you don't have an account, you can create one here for free. After you sign up, you'll land on this page. Here, you can enter a text and then choose from one of the many available voices. They also have a speech-to-speech option, where you speak something, and it repeats it in a voice of your choice. Here you can see the small list of voices you can use. To generate the voiceover, just select the voice you like, paste the text into the text bar, and click on Generate.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.
That's seriously how easy it is. But that's not the only thing you can do. Click on the sidebar to expand it. We can go to Voices and click on Library. Here you can choose from many voices. Let's try some.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world. Hi there! Need a smart, confident, friendly young adult voice?
The Berlin Voice, now available for your ads and trailers. Bring your...
A failure is a person who has blundered but is not capable of cashing in on the experience.
You can also filter by the usage of the voice. It's amazing.
Leave me alone! He walks around the town torturing anyone who asks him questions.
You can find the link in the description below. So, whether you're using your own voice or an AI-generated voice, make sure your voiceover is clear, engaging, and high quality. Remember, a great voiceover can elevate your videos to the next level and keep your viewers hooked from start to finish. So, we covered how to find a great niche, create eye-catching thumbnails, and generate a fantastic voiceover using AI tools. These elements combined will help you create content that stands out and attracts more viewers. But remember, every successful YouTuber started with their first video. You might not get everything perfect on your first try, and that's okay. Failing is not bad. It's a part of the learning process. Each mistake is a step towards improvement. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. They are just opportunities to grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tips and tricks for creating amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.